another episode with the Jeep. So, motor's still not running. Well, we haven't replaced the motor. I think I'm gonna be going with Jasper engines just because of their warranty and the way they sort of bulletproof their engines. What's up, Nix? You wanna say hi to the peoples? Here's little Papa Nix. So, little Papa Nix. Wanna get him? So yeah, we're gonna be doing the headliner. I'm just gonna start doing things while we save up the money. We have some unfortunate circumstances now with our other car. So we're gonna go ahead and just do headliner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just build up a rear setup here for a camping setup. So a fridge, little pull out for a stove, things like that, storage space. So yeah, but today's video is gonna be mostly about headliner. I am missing my plastic trim up here, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get a piece of plywood, wrap it in foam, and just headline it for now, just so it looks decent. So let's get to it. So first things first, guys, what we're gonna do is just take apart all of the panels. I'll note take them just so it's easier for you. Most of it's gonna be Phillips. And then we're just gonna pull it out, put it on our table, and show you what we're working with. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm just gonna use a manual screwdriver. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull it out now. Sweet. There we have it. The old headliner's out. So I went ahead and bought 2 3M headliner adhesive. Dry time of an hour, more or less. But we're gonna first rip this off. Check these speakers out, my guy. 1995. Cardboard, none of the bushing or whatever you call it, baffle is in there still. Go ahead. So what I'm gonna do, since I don't want to do the work twice, is I'm gonna do the headliner first. I'll put this back in. I'll show you a headliner now. We picked it out. It's got little smiley faces. It's white. Might be a mistake, but we can always replace it. So what I'm gonna do is replace this, put it back in. I will do the speaker bar and the visors, but I won't install them just yet. Maybe the visors I will, but this no until I buy speakers. I really don't feel like taking it back down and whatnot. So let's get to it. So my phone is okay. I've had worse in a variety of cars. Here it's all peeled off. Can glue that back together. Is our new headliner material. This. Okay, so shake and pray. Speaker housing, I took one off. What you're gonna do is there's some plastic rivets. You're gonna go ahead and just cut them off. And give me material for my visors. If not, this is gonna kick my ass, but we got this. So guys, that is that. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna let it all settle down, but we are done here. Just reverse the steps when you put it together. I'm gonna be ordering some speakers for this, and adios.